video, I'm sharing my Thanksgiving ritual. I like to drink tea before I eat the turkey, and this tea after I eat the turkey. This one is bitter melon, so that's for after. And this one is that it has moringa, it has lemongrass, and big thyme. So this is really good. My daughter's already setting up the teacup. We're having a tea party. So the water is boiling. That's her small little pot. When I was a kid, my grandma had bought me one. So when I saw that, I bought one for my daughter too. And this is our small tea, what is it? Cafetiere, we would call that in Haiti. So now I'm putting in the leaves and the water. And you don't want it to boil too much because you add tea in boiling water.
Mommy, I'm a kid.
Yes, baby. You put tea in boiling water, so you don't want to, if you boil it too much, you're gonna lose all the vitamins. So we're just gonna let the leaves steep in. So at this point,